Another the day has dawned, and we've got Nicky here fagging away. That's the spirit. And he's still working on his cupboards, but they're coming up awesome. There we go. Jaxie hello Jaxie. Hello mate. Our little helper, our little surveyor. And that's going to be behind Nicky there, my wardrobe. Awesome, love. Say hello, Nick.
Hello, Nick.
So we're making progress in our soon-to-be new abode. Nicky's just done a wonderful job. He's rebuilt all this cabinetry here. So we've cut out that seat, the side of this seat that was there. He's going to have an open or a cupboard for a pantry where all the magic happens. From Nick though, not me. Then at the back here, he's made shelf accesses into this storage pod, which was again wasted space. It just dropped straight down with only a small space for access. And he had the brainwave idea of making this cupboard here into a wardrobe. Lucky there's no princess living here, Nick, because I'll be happy with a couple of overalls, a couple of boots and some pullovers, mate. And over here, Nicky's now preparing up the rough spots. We're going to add a touch of my interior design background. Can't use that. Nicky just dropped the F-bomb. We never swear, Nick. No. Stop breaking the rules. Just wanted to share this video with you. This little amazing man of mine making princess's wardrobe. Where are my slippers gonna fit, love?
On the bottom.
What about my Cinderella shoes?
Outside.
Gotta love a princess. Not. I think I was actually Dad's firstborn son. What do you reckon, love? Oh shit, no, I can't say that because then he's in a bit of trouble. Anyway, this is us. We're real, we're raw, we're authentic, and we're bloody good people. And all you...
I hope I'm wrong, not cool.
Not yet. That's for later on. We can't view that. I mean, we can't show that. Nothing wrong with me. Anyway, just wanted to say, Nick and I have never felt such a relief. For we're fucking off out of here. And we couldn't be happier. The cruelty we've experienced, the judgments, what else, love? The accusations, the threats.
People like that are not nice.
They're not nice, love. But the people that you think might show a bit of kindness don't give us stuff.
People you don't expect it from, like your family and things like that.
Exactly. Hi guys, so we're still in the trusty old van, Minty, and Nick's just spray painted the outer rims of these windows black, which look really cool, and he's just doing that side as well.
So the inside.
And the inside's done as well, white, which needs another coat. Really, really happy with the colours though. Here's our first undercoat there, and the warmth when it's matched up against the green curtains is really nice. Hey guys, here we are again in little trusty Minty. Hello Jaxie boy. Hello my boy. Have a look at what work this wonderful man of mine has done.